What's good? What a homie shit be, but you know what I'm saying? Yo, G Dams in the hell life. You know what I'm saying? Shit, nigga, I be in the hood on the blood, nigga, every day, nigga. Thugging hard, man. Fuck these other homies in the field, homie, catty kitty. I'm about the block, I'm about the streets. Fuck 'em all, nigga. This my life, nigga. Shit, they ain't heard of me. They ain't heard about me, dog. I got a homie, stay focused on me in the line, nigga. This my life, shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I be crying and nigga hustling, nigga, every day. You know what I'm saying? But shit, I'm about mine, you know what I'm saying? So shit, a nigga already know what the business is. Nigga, I hit the corner store, nigga, with a pack of smokes on me in my motherfucking pocket, man. Nigga, I be thugged out, just like nigga, I'm playing nigga for the fucking rocket. This is my life, homie. I rub the dog. You know what I'm saying? Shit, settle down, nigga. Live a beautiful life straight like that. Yo, G, dance in the hell like peace out, homie.